It's a perfect day for a snack, a very big snack. The bee seems happy. Maybe we should follow it. Yes, let's go. Something's in the bushes. What's that? Don't worry, it's me. I'm here. Friends! 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 You won't believe what I found. Slow down, Daisy. Take a breath and tell us. Look what I found. Oh, I found this near the sparkling stream. Look. Did someone say treasure? Is that a treasure map? This must be it! Let's go! It is the way to the secret berry field. The sweetest berries ever! We can do this! Let's go! Sweet berries? Huge berries? Dodo must have them. Finding them will be a challenge, Dodo.
The path is long. We must pass the gray rocks and the dry river.
The gray rocks are very sharp. I heard they are hard. Meet again. Do not worry, Kiki. We are a team. We will help each other. Follow me. I know the first part of the trail. I see the path now. It's just beyond the mist. Roro, did you hear that? Squeaky's back. Yes, he found it. Let's go. Wait for Dodo. These roots are jumpy. I think the forest is getting quieter. That means the rocks are near. There they are, the gray rocks. They look We must find the safest way across. No one should get hurt. The middle part is very shaky. The stones move when you touch them. Don't worry, Dodo. We can make it across together. Follow me. Ouch! Ouch! Bumpy and wiggly. My feet do not like this. It's like a sea of needles. How can we walk on this?
We'll find a way, Kiki. Don't worry, I'm here. Wait, look over there. That piece of wood could be useful. We can use this as a bridge to cover the sharpest parts of the path.
I will push, and you guys keep it straight. Ready? Ready! Go, friends, go! You are very strong! Almost there. Just a little more. We did it! Look! Oh, Squeaky! It works! It's perfect! It doesn't move at all! That's wonderful! Much better! Thank you for the great idea, Roro! It's like walking on a table! No more ouchies! We did it! The gray rocks couldn't stop us! One challenge down. Next is the dry river. Let's keep moving! Keep moving! The sun climbed higher as they walked, their spirits lifted by their first success. Together! Quack! Yes! Let's go! The map says the stream is near the field. Just a little further, Dodo. Kiki, you're the best! The path ahead looks a bit dry. But look, it's flat now. We can keep going. Here it is, the dry river. It's much deeper than I remembered.
It's like a giant bowl. How do we get to the other side?
We'll find a way, Kiki, don't worry. Look, I have an idea. It's too far down. My wings are too small to fly that way.
Don't worry, Dodo. We'll find another way, together.
The sand is too soft to walk on. We might get stuck if we just jump.
All right, team. I've got the perfect branch for our bridge. Hello. Watch closely. I'll show you how we can make this work. Hello there. I am Barnaby. You folks look like you're in a bit of a pickle.
Hello, Barnaby. We need help. We're lost. Can you guide us?
Hello, Barnaby. We are trying to reach the berry field, but the river is too deep.
I can help you with that. Stand back. The sand is like soup. But don't you worry. I'm a builder, and I have a plan. We won't just walk. We will build a ramp, a slide down, and a ramp up.
A slide? Dodo loves slides. Can we start now, please?
Heave! Ho! Put it right on the edge of the sand.
We got it, Barnaby.
Almost there. Almost there. Go! Perfect. It's ready. She's solid as a rock. Who wants the first go?
Me. All right, Dodo. Ready? Totally. Like H-E-E-E. Look at me go. You did it. Again. Meow-hoo. Meow. It's clear. Let's do this. Hold on tight, Daisy.
We're gonna make it!
You did it.
At the bottom of the dry river, the world felt very large and very quiet.
It's so big, Roro. But look, there's a way up. Wow.
Don't get too comfortable. We've still got to get back up the other side. That side looks much harder to climb, Barnaby. Not a climb, a staircase. Everyone, grab a flat stone.
We got one.
That's it, you're doing great, team.
Keep pushing, Daisy. We're almost there.
Look, good luck, Twigs.
Just a bit more here. We did it.
And there, the Barnaby staircase is open for business.
Wow, amazing. Let's go.
Step by step, they rose out of the depths.
We are the masters of the stairs. Yeah, great job, everyone. Wonderful work up there. We did it.
Thank you, Barnaby. We couldn't have done it without you.
Good luck with those berries.
Keep close, everyone. I don't like this fog. Keep close, everyone. The fog is thick. I can't see anything, Roro. Be alert. I hear something. Don't worry. We'll find it together. Dodo, stay where you are. We're coming. Dodo, where are you? Hello. I don't like these shadows. They look like big monsters. It's okay, Dodo. I think it's just the wind.
I see him. He's over by the twisted oak.
Kiki, you found me. I thought the monsters got me. Shh, it's okay, Dodo. Dodo's safe. We were worried. Look, the mist is lifting. We're almost through.
And there it was, the secret berry field, glowing under the afternoon sun.
Berries. Blue ones, red ones, purple ones. So sweet. These are the best berries in the whole forest. Thank you for coming with me. We did it because we stayed together, Kiki. That's the real treasure. Yes, together. We should rest tonight and head back tomorrow. The forest is safe when we're together.
The valley celebrated their friendship with a light show of its own.
Meow. Tee-hee. Oh, good morning, world. Time to bring some treats home. We must bring some back for Squeaky and Barnaby, too. We have enough to share with everyone.
All clear. The valley is ours today. With full bellies and fuller hearts, the friends began the walk back home.
Look, Roro, no more spooky shadows. The trees are waving at us. They look very happy to see us. For you, Squeaky, the finest from the secret field. Squeaky, squeaky, squeak. Best. Berry. Ever.
Welcome back, travelers. I kept the stairs clean for you.
We're coming, Barnaby!
Hurry, hurry! Hurry!
This one is for our master builder. Thank you, Barnaby.
Oh, this is incredible, Daisy. Ah.
Now that is a job well done. Tastes like victory.
The journey was coming to an end, but their friendship was just beginning a new chapter.
We're home! We're home! And we have snacks! We made it! That's wonderful news! So many berries! We did it together. That's what matters most. Purr. Yes, we did.
Hey, guys! Look what I found in the berry bush. It looks like a mountain with a crown.
A mountain with a crown? I've never seen that before. Yeah. Maybe it's not a crown. Maybe it's a castle made of ice. The mountain holds many berries. If there is a crown, does that mean Dodo can be king of the mountain?
My grandmother used to tell stories about the Crown Mountain. It's where the golden apples grow.
Golden apples? Well, we did find the berries. Why not the apples? Apples, apples. If you're sure. Come on, we can do it. Time to go. Don't worry, I'm ready. Let's find the berries.
Their second journey began under a sky even bluer than the first.
Look at the pretty colors.
Let's follow the blue sky, friends.
Focus, Dodo. The apples won't wait for us forever. We'll hurry, Roro. The air is getting cooler already. Look at that canyon. Hello. H-E-lo, L-O, lo, oh, meow. Do you hear that? What is it, Roro? Something's there. Be careful. We can do this.
Who goes there? Only the brave enter the Echo Canyon.
We're not afraid. Not with Daisy. Lead the way, team. It's just us, Billy. We're heading to the Crown Mountain.
I know a shortcut through the mist.
Come on, let's go.
The path ahead is blocked, but if we work together, we can clear it.
Let's do it, Roro.
Yes, we will help.
We've got to find it now. We will. Yes. Together. Oh, no. It's in our way. We'll have to find another path. It's too heavy. We can't push it out of the way. Don't worry. We'll find another path. Maybe we should go home. No gap here. The canyon walls are too tight.
You don't push the mountain.
You use the lever. Remember your physics, little ones.
Found one.
Hooray!
That's a good one. This should work. It's strong enough. Yep. Together we can lift it. Okay, everyone. On the count of 3, we all push down.
1, 2, 3.
The path is clear.
Hooray! We did it! Let's go!
I think my super duck muscles did it.
Right, Dodo. Well done. Keep going, friends. We're almost there.
Wow, that looks high, Bo. Follow me, explorers. The berries are waiting. Out of the echoes and into the cold air of the high peaks.
Cheep. Purr. Cheep. Cheep.
Hey, the sky is falling in tiny cold pieces. Where did it go? Hey! It's happening again.
I think we're ready. Yeah, we're ready. Let's go.
Just the 4 of us, and of course, Squeaky.
Everyone stay close.
My ears are very warm.
My ears are very warm. Let's go, Omi.
Keep up the good work, Dodo. I will, Daisy. It's so much fun jumping in your big prince.
Boing, 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 boing. I'm coming. Hello, Dodo. Ready for the ice? Quack. Yeah.
Light. The mirror pond was so clear they could see the clouds beneath their feet.
Oh, wow. It's like magic. Whoa! I'm a boat. Quack, quack, quack. Ah. Meow, meow, meow.
Careful now.
The ice is thin near the edges. The mirror pond was fun. Can we do it again?
There it is. The crown of the mountain. I see them. The golden apples. They're real.
The last few steps were the hardest, but the prize was within reach.
Almost there, little friend.
Just one more waddle, Roro.
You can do it. We're here. Wow, look at that.
Look. Wow. It's beautiful.
We made it. The tree of gold, hidden for 1,000 years, finally found again.
Wow.
We found it.
Is it real gold? Can I eat gold? It's not metal gold. It's the gold of the sun. One bite gives you the strength of 10 lions.
Together.
Wow.
Let's go to the secret berry field.
The whole world looks so small from here. We've come so far. One journey ends, but the horizon is always calling.
Oh, the blue sea. Yes, we're going.
The sea is far, but with the strength of the golden apples, we'll be there in no time. Look at all that water. It's like a giant silver slide.
The bee says the berries are this way. Let's go. I'm ready.
Wow, look at those leaves. The air is getting warmer. These look strong enough to carry us.
Oh, yay! Let's go.
Careful now. All right, over we go. Whoops! Slippery! Slow down, little ones. The river is long, but the journey is the reward. This is the best boat ever. It has its own roof.
The turtle is humming. Shelly is singing.
I can go no further. The salt water is for my cousins. Safe travels.
Thank you. At last, the great blue sea.
It's even bigger than you said, Roro.
It's beautiful. Now what do? The water is chasing me. And it tastes like... pickles.
Yow! This spider has scissors.
Look at this.
There's something inside.
Amma!
It's a map back home. It shows us the shortcut.
We found it. We take the cliff path.
Okay,
Let's go. Be careful. It's faster than the jungle.
Yes, faster.
Keep your balance.
I am the sea duck. Look at that. It's beautiful.
goodbye, Blue Sea.
Let's make camp here. Good thinking, Roro. This spot feels safe. We're halfway home. I can smell the oak tree. Yes, the smell is wonderful.
You're back, and you look stronger. Did you find the apples?
We did, Barnaby. It was an adventure.
Apples. Muy bueno.
Incredible.
I must build a shelf for these treasures.
Oh, yes.
No more sliding for you. Walk across like kings.
Oh, Barnaby, it's wonderful. Thank you. It's so sturdy. This is much easier than before. Keep going, we're almost there.
This is fun.
Visit us at the oak tree soon, Barnaby.
There's always room for a builder.
The journey was long, but home was finally in sight.
Look.
There it is.
I'm coming, oak tree. Prepare for Dodo.
We're home.
We actually made it back.
You're back! You're back! Did you see the sea? Yes, and it was beautiful. Hello, Squeaky. It's time for the grand celebration feast.
Oh, how wonderful. This looks perfect. And then the crab went snap. Quack, quack.
Look at me, I'm the turtle.
For the future. For the next generation of explorers. The forest is at peace. I'll keep watch tonight. More blueberries.
King of the hill.
We're not the same as we were. We're braver now. We're ready for anything. Let's find it.
Yeah.
Together. Thank you for the adventure, friends. It was better than I imagined. There's still more to see.
Oh, I can't wait.
Wait, does the map have a new color? What's purple? The crystal caves. The crystal caves. They're below the forest floor. Underground?
But there are no clouds underground. And it's probably very dark.
Kiki, don't worry, Dodo. I can see in the dark. I'll be your light. This must be it. Wow. It's so dark in here. And so, a new adventure began in the silent world below. Stay close, everyone.
Is anybody here? Here. Oh.
It's alive with light.
Wow.
It's like a parade of stars.
So bright. Magical.
At the heart of the forest lay its greatest secret, the Pillar of Light. It's beautiful. It feels warm, like the sun is trapped inside.
Wow.
It's glowing like a yummy berry. It's so beautiful.
Wow, it's glowing.
A gift from the heart of the forest. Look, a secret passage leading back to the surface. Every journey ends where it began, but with new treasures and stronger bonds.
Home, sweet home.
And then everything turned purple. Wow! It was like a giant grape cave.
Wow.
A feast for the greatest explorers. It looks perfect. Can we eat it now?
To Roro and Dodo!
We made it! We made it! Yay, yay!
To friendship
And forever adventures.
What a journey, Roro.
And the forest found its peace.
I'm glad we found the berries, but I'm gladder I found you guys. 1 star, 2 berries, 3. In the end, the greatest discovery was the strength they found in each other.
A new adventure awaits.
Whee! I'm a sea captain!
Memories of a lifetime.
And so the forest slept, knowing that friendship was the greatest magic of all.
Good night, brave hearts. Do you want to be friends? Hello, little kitten. The bee is gone.
Follow me to the unknown.
To the berries.
Teamwork makes it possible.
I've got you, Dodo. Yay, Kiki.
It's real. Yes, it's really real. Come on, we're almost there.
The secret berry field is just beyond that path. Let's go now.
We need to wait for everyone. So much world to explore.
Yeah.
The heart of the forest. Indeed, Roro, it is beautiful. We're home. A little spark.
Look at these berries.
Wow, Roro, they're beautiful. Let's gather them all.
The map is revealing something new. Floating islands.
Oh my,
How intriguing. To be continued.
Friends, friends forever.